Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's video. Cajun potatoes. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're interested in learning how to cook authentic Cajun and Creole cuisine, comfort food, and just about anything for that matter, then you're in the right place. Click that subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now, today's video is what I call Cajun potatoes. It's basically a side dish that pairs pretty much with anything that you would have potatoes with, right? Chicken, steak, barbecue. We have it quite often in my household. And without any further ado, let's get to the kitchen so I can show you what I'm talking about. In this recipe, we're going to use these small Yukon Gold potatoes. I like using these because there's a lot of starch in them, and we're going to need that later on in the recipe. Now we're going to take our potatoes, we're going to cut them down into bite-sized pieces. Now you have different sized potatoes, so basically you want to get all the pieces as close to the same size as possible because that will help everything cook evenly. Now let's get our pan heated up to a medium heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you like. Now that our oil is heated up, we're going to add the potatoes. We basically want to saute them until we get a little bit of color on the flesh. Now at this point, if you like, you can go ahead and add a little bit of salt. And if you don't add it here, no worries, because we are going to season it later on. After about 10 to 15 minutes and stirring occasionally, you can tell that we have some nice color on our potatoes. Now what we want to do is turn our heat down to a medium low, and we're going to add some homemade chicken stock. Add whatever chicken stock you have available. Homemade, store-bought, doesn't matter. Give it a nice mix and let it come down to a simmer. Now it's time to season. I'm going to use my West Coast Cajun Cuisine's Creole seasoning. Use your favorite Creole or Cajun seasoning that you like, but if you'd like to get your hands on some of mine, shoot me an email and I will hook you up. Email address is in the description box below. Now we're going to let those potatoes simmer until that stock reduces to almost nothing. And in the meantime, we're going to finely chop some green onion and parsley that we'll be adding toward the end. Now it's been about 20 minutes and you can see just how much the stock has reduced. Now this does two things. First of all, it cooks the potato. Second of all, it mixes with the starch and makes this wonderful, delicious sauce that coats the potato. Alright, we've already scooped out a piece of potato and checked it with a fork for tenderness. You want it to feel kind of like a baked potato. You want it soft, right? It's almost there, but not quite. And also, the stock needs to reduce just a little bit more. But this is the perfect time to go ahead and add some fresh cracked black pepper, the green onion, and parsley. And then we're going to give it a nice mix and let this go for another 2 minutes tops. The sauce thickened up nicely. I went ahead and plated this up. It looks wonderful, tastes even better, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed if you try out this recipe. Look, if you haven't already and you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you want to check out another video on this channel, check out this playlist, or YouTube thinks that this video may be the next one you want to watch. Either way, click one of those and I'll see you there.